No, it's actually about these hairpin legs. This is now a very popular type of legs for tables of slab. And today in this video I'll show how I made them. So, in order for the beginning process, I will use such a device consisting of a metal angle and profile pipe from the roller from the old Russian car Volga, welded to the corner, and a piece of profile pipe to create force on the rod. I use 8 mm rod. I'll cut the stock pin because some of it will go to the bend, and besides the bend may be not in the middle. The base of the leg, that is the place where legs will be attached to the table, I am going to do the metal strip, 100 mm in each direction. Now I'll weld these two pieces on both sides. In fact, in this carpentry workshop this is not desirable, but since I have no choice in the winter, I'll do it here carefully. From this thin plywood I will make a template for making holes. Now I will collect the device from plywood for welding the legs, where of the same length and at the same angle to the base. I mark the distance for different legs in height. The device for the manufacture of legs is ready. Now I'll show how to use it. Here we put the base, push the pin into the hole and choose the length corresponding of the lengths of the legs. And now you need to weld in these places. Now we need to weld in the circle and then saw off the excess in place. Four legs ready, and in one of the folding videos I will make a tabletop where I apply these legs.